Hey guys, Mr. Be Happy here. I figure I'll show y'all a little bit about this job here. So when we poured concrete, we put embeds in, of course. We used 8-inch, 18-pound for columns, and we used a 16-inch, 26-pound for our rafters. Basically did it pavilion style, like it's just going to be a pavilion. And then we took and we put the skirt on it. Got 8-inch purlins. Went ahead and I did a 2.5-inch leg on these because the span wasn't that bad. Sometimes when I get over 25 foot, I make sure I use a 3.5-inch leg. Other than that, man, this is what it is. Y'all have a be happy day. Know what I'm saying?